Welcome to a noisy and brisk morning here in Yankeetown, and that's they're working on the big house next door. They're putting up the sort of permanent pillars, as it were. Well, we got a guest fisherman here today. Howdy.
Hi.
You are?
I'm Rob.
Hi, Rob.
I'm a neighbor of John's.
Well, you're committed to this now.
All right.
You're going to be a YouTube star, man.
Oh, man. I always wanted to be a YouTube
Now, did I see our dog in the back? Or is that a mirage? Well, hello there. Hello there, doggy. Yeah, just calm down. You know, we're going fishing. Just the usual stuff. Ah.
Yeah, hi.
Oh, God, I forgot your name already.
Yeah.
Rob, right, okay, there we go. Well, Lucy, look who's back. Looking none the worse for wear.
You're putting up the permanent things right on the reinforcement.
Yeah, they're doing it. That will be interesting. Look at all those cement pillars there. So they've built these permanent cinder block columns here that are reaching up and just barely about to touch the underfootings of the house. I guess they'll just pour cement in there, let it dry, and then take these big temporary stacks of wood out of here, and voila, safety from the storm. In case I'm repeating myself, forgive me, but look who's back. It's Lucy. And for those of you who aren't keeping up on current events, Lucy suffered a spinal injury and a rear leg paralysis from chasing a ball. Great, huh? Well, she's been undergoing veterinary therapy and taking it easy and hobbling around and whatnot, but she's getting better. The rear legs have recovered to a degree, and she's back on the boat where she belongs. And we're glad to have her, because we miss all those sloppy kisses. So all the things the hurricane does, it doesn't neatly plant palm trees in the middle of the river, but it did. By the way, we're going to get gas. We're getting ourselves some egg. Get away from here.
Honeybee.
Honeybee.
It smells gas.
Yeah. Lucy, be quiet. We gotta stay on the boat. Lucy, you can't go visit anybody out in the restaurant here. Gasoline tank is full. Or as near full as we dare make it. And now we're gonna find out what's out there.
Boy,
Onward.
We could go out. I think red snapper season's been extended. You want to go 50 miles out?
50, sure.
Okay.
Negative on that suggestion. All right, Lucy's back to her old self here.
But you did shame me into it.
Begging for bites from everybody's sandwiches. Well, we're about 3/4 of the way out to the ocean, and it's time to test things. Boy, it feels sort of wintry out here. Last time we were out here, it was summer. It was 80 something degrees out here, which is perfect. But not now. Let's get something in the water and see what's going on. Well, this spot's a dud, and we're bailing out from here because nobody has seen their sinker disappear. So, putting our bait back in the bait well and heading downriver. You do want to stick your hand in there.
They've got a roll of 1/4-inch tube.
For those of you playing the home game, the island here is one of the spoils islands off the barge canal. And we're hiding behind the island to get some protection from the wind, because it feels like winter here. And it is winter. December 1st. Sure is purty out here. You know, we got to bring this guy Rob along more often. Look, he just donated his half a ham and cheese sandwich with 2 different kinds of mustard and a layer of mayonnaise. Even Lucy is intrigued by this. You got any other culinary delights that we should kind of be...
Oh, there's a batch of brownies down the bottom.
Did he say brownies?
Yeah.
The heck with fishing. Let's break into the brownies.
Well, we got to finish off this health food first.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's
They got like paper stretched across wood. Yeah.
We're getting somebody's little homemade airplane going by here.
It's like a model I built once. Yeah. With a motor.
It's a nice day. He's flying into the wind here, so he's going real slow.
Maybe he's headed up to Cedar Key.
Yeah.
I wonder if their airport is working yet.
Well, in lee of Spoils Islands expedition got us a big giant goose egg here, so we're pulling the anchor.
Those guys have been there a long time. We should have been watching them because they might be catching fish.
Could be they're just talking about the election or something. And they haven't moved yet. They're holding each other at gunpoint. Yeah, it was a family. Warning. Optional maintenance required. All right. We're going over to the power plant. Well, after a few bumps and bangs, we are back down by the power plant. Hoping to replicate our, well, not replicate our previous bad luck down here, or to replicate our good luck down here.
We'll help Rob with that anchor. Yeah, just tie it off anywhere there.
Rob threw the short straw on the anchor. Here, let me give you a little more.
Yep.
This Rob guy, we gotta invite him more often. He brought the brownie supply. Yum, yum. So far, nothing. And again, we're not bottom fishing. That probably is what we should do, but we're not doing it. I think we're gonna get out of here because the wind kicked up quite a bit, and that's no fun. Well, we made it back from the power plant. We didn't hit anything this time. I wasn't rolling when we hit our rock. But we didn't sink, so it's all good. Probably just took a little dent or a scratch. Anyway, it's gotten rather nautical out here. And we're now sneaking back into the Withlacoochee channel. Well, we're finally back on the smooth waters of the Withlacoochee. And that old derelict boat is still sitting over there. I guess I had to share with you, huh? Well, all right, so the count on the fishing was a big fat 0 today. However, on the plus side, Lucy has returned to the expedition. Glad to see her. The rear legs don't work too great, but she can still manage her way around the boat, bark at intruder dogs that go by in other boats. There's a big stick you're running over there, Captain. Well, thanks for being with us. Good night, everybody. Lucy, have you seen any bad dogs up ahead? I got news for you, Lucy. The hurricane, they all moved out. You've got no worries.
Huh. I guess that's one way to do it.
They're not there anymore, Lucy. In case I'm repeating myself, look who's back. It's Lucy. Probably can't see her because she's in the shade.
Heron. What is that bird?
It's a great blue.
Is it?
Yeah, that's a blue heron.
He's just got his wings folded up like he's cool.
He probably thinks he's back in Massachusetts.
Shut up and let me do this. Okay, quiet on the set, or I'm going to call DeMille and have you all fired. All right.